In this section, we are going to learn about the Dart language, and I think it's useful to do this so that we will have all the basics covered once we start writing Flutter code. Okay, so let's start with an overview of the Dart language. Dart is an object-oriented language, and what that means is that we typically structure our code inside classes. And as we will see, classes hold data as well as the methods for manipulating it. So if you're not familiar with classes, then don't worry, because we will talk about them in detail in this introduction. Second, Dart has a C-style syntax, and this is very similar to a lot of mainstream languages, such as C, Java, JavaScript, or even Swift. So if you know any of those, you will see that there are a lot of similarities with Dart. Dart is a statically typed language. And what that means is that the types of the variables are known at compile time. As we will see, Dart has a sound type system, which helps us writing code that is safe and more predictable. And we will see exactly what I mean by that as we explore the language. Dart is a versatile language that can run on multiple runtime environments. So if your target is a Flutter app running on a mobile device, then Dart code is compiled into native machine code. But if you want, you can also run Dart through the command line, and also Dart can run on the browser, and the way this works is by using a so-called transpiler, which converts Dart code to JavaScript code. Finally, Dart is productive and fast, and that is due to the nature of the Dart compiler. So Dart comes with a just-in-time compiler that runs during the execution of the program, compiling on the fly. And the benefit of this is that we can use a technology called hot reload that helps us develop our apps faster. And we will look at this extensively throughout this course. And when we finish writing our apps and we want to generate builds that we can upload to the App Store, then we can use an ahead-of-time compiler, which is optimized for compiling code that is fast to execute. And this makes Flutter apps very performant. Okay, so now that we have seen the main characteristics of the Dart language, we can start getting more familiar with it. So let's do that in the next video.